Hey Magnet students, Miss Strader here. I just wanted to give you some quick updates for the week of May 11th. When I gave you your phone calls last week, I told you about an extra credit opportunity from both Miss Logan and myself, so I'm going to kind of go into detail of that a little bit with both of you, just to make sure you don't miss anything and that you can get the full credit added. Sunday night or Monday morning, me and Miss Logan will be sending you an extra credit assignment, okay? Now, that extra credit assignment will go towards either 1 to 3 points on your final grade for math, ELA, which is English, and science, okay? So those are the 3 grades. Miss Logan will obviously determine the points for math and science, and I will determine the points for English. It's all written out for you. I also have attached a rubric for you as well that Miss Logan and I kind of created together that will help you kind of base off what you need to know, okay, or what you need to do. First off, you can only work on this assignment. Hear me on this. You can only work on this assignment if you are not missing any assignments from either me or Miss Logan. I want to make that very clear. So if you are missing an assignment in either one of our classes, you have to finish that first. This is what this week is for. That's why we are only giving you one extra credit assignment, and that's why you're not doing a full week of lesson plans, is because we want you guys to use this week to catch up on any missing work that you are missing from either Miss Logan or myself. So first things first, if you're missing anything, you cannot do this extra credit assignment until you have turned everything in from both of us, okay? So get that done first. Use this week. If you're missing anything, you need to redo anything for either one of our classes, that you get that done first. Because if you turn this in and we are missing stuff from you, we are not counting it. We are not even grading it. So you cannot do this assignment unless you are missing nothing else from me and Miss Logan. To check that, you need to be checking Teacher Ease, because that is updated. That is there for you, okay? If you see zeros, there's your answer, okay? Second thing, you can earn a range from 1 to 3 points. So for science, you can earn, let's say you earn 2 points. For math, you earn 2 points, and for reading, you earn 1 point. That is added onto your final report card grade. So let's say you get a 90 in English. If you get another 2 points added, then that's a 92 on your report card grade. So this is a big deal, and I would advise you to take full advantage of it. Okay, so your assignment, you are going to be researching a mathematician. Miss Logan sent out a list, or will be sending out a list for you guys to kind of pick and choose. From that list, you can pick whoever you would like, and you are going to research about him or her, okay? If you look at our lesson plan for this week, it is set up day by day on what we want you to work on. You are going to be working on this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The assignment for extra credit is due by Thursday at 8 p.m. So you need to send it to both Miss Logan and myself. Thursday at 8 p.m. is when this assignment is due. If we do not have it by Thursday at 8 p.m., it's not like you're going to get a 0, but you won't get the credit. Okay, so Thursday at 8 p.m. is when we want this turned into us. Be sure that you send it to both Miss Logan and me, because we're grading different parts, okay? So we have a schedule for you. Monday, you're doing something towards the assignment. Tuesday, you're doing something different. Wednesday, so pay attention to that schedule. Second thing, you are going to research the mathematician of your choice from that list Miss Logan gave you. What you are going to do is you are going to research, then you are going to create a 1-page monologue. A monologue is basically, it's kind of like a paper. You're going to type it out. It'll be a size 12 font, single spaced. So the monologue needs to be 1 page, size 12 font, single spaced, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to give us information on that mathematician. Your facts need to be correct. Your facts need to be correct. Your content needs to be accurate, because if you look on that grading rubric, we are also checking. I'm also going to be a very stickler on grammar, spelling, sentence structure. That is what I will be grading. And if you look on that rubric that we will be sending out, you will see how we are grading that, okay? Third thing, you need to write this monologue in first person. Now, what that means is you are pretending that you are the mathematician. So you're not writing about the person, you are the person, okay? You are the mathematician. So this needs to be from your point of view. So you wouldn't say, I don't know, I'm just going to use an example, Henry Clay, okay? Henry Clay was born in 1962. No, I was born in 1962. So you're writing it as if you are the person, okay? Next thing, once you write that 1 minute one page monologue, you are going to memorize it somewhat, okay? And then you are going to record yourself giving the monologue, okay? So you basically are recording yourself saying, reading your monologue to us, okay? Now, we want you to memorize, okay? What we don't want is you reading straight from your monologue. Now, it's okay to look down kind of like as like a reference or take some note cards or something. That's fine. I'll allow that. This goes to your speaking, okay? So you can use the monologue as a reference. Look down every now and then, just like when you give a presentation in class, but we don't want you holding it and reading directly from the monologue the whole time, okay? So 1 page monologue. You are going to write it and type it out, okay? Then you are going to record yourself reading off your monologue and send it to us, okay? So all of this is due by Thursday at 8 p.m. Now, again, don't use it. Read straight from it, okay? Use it as a reference. Make sure you're speaking clearly so we can understand you, and don't talk too fast, okay? Because that is for a grade. So 3 things. You're going to research a mathematician. You're going to create a monologue. Now, the video doesn't have to be certain amount long. Just make sure you're pacing nice and correctly, and make sure you're not reading straight from your monologue, okay? Your monologue needs to be 1 page typed and in first person point of view, okay? If it's not in first person point of view, you won't get the credit. 3rd thing, okay? Needs to be size 12 font, single spaced. Then you are going to record yourself giving that monologue. On Thursday, you will send your monologue and your video of you reading your monologue to Miss Logan and myself. Send it to both, and we will grade it Thursday by 8 p.m. Okay? You will have nothing to do on Friday. Friday, we will be at school. Actually, we will be an in-service day, so you will not have any assignments or anything you are working on Friday, okay? Now, that does not mean if you have makeup work, you can still work on your makeup work or your missing work on Friday and turn that into us, but that is the only thing you will be responsible for, okay? Now, again, let me stress you, if you are missing stuff from either Miss Logan or myself, you're this extra credit you're not working on right away. You are getting everything you need done and turned into us this week. You have all week to do that, so there shouldn't be any reasons why you can't complete it and get it turned in if you work at a steady pace throughout the week, okay? If you're not sure if you're missing stuff, you can always email us, but the first thing we're going to ask you is, did you check Teacher Ease? Because it is all there, all laid out for you, okay, guys? I look forward to seeing you on the 18th, on Monday. If you have any questions for the extra credit project, please email Miss Logan or myself. I will be calling you on Monday from 10 to 12 and 1 to 3. Depending on what grade you're in. Miss Logan will be calling you on Tuesday. So be sure that you're working diligently on this. If we're going to give some report card, extra credit grade, extra credit points, then we want you to work hard. We're praying for you guys. We miss you guys. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye, guys. Have a good week.